Hi. So this is one of the breakout trades which I am going to track. Of course, अभी breakout आई नहीं है, so it's still pending. But my scanner, while I was running over the weekend, just gave me this particular trade. I will be tracking this in the coming week at least, and let's see if it is able to break this particular zone. And if it happens, then I would be tweeting and I would be taking trades on this one. So this is a weekly chart, so you can see it made a new all-time high in 2018 after a good run during this last half or the second half of 2017, and then it formed a very good sort of rounding, consolidating over a period of so many weeks from 2018 till 2021. So that's a few years now. One of the things which I would look into is you can see this is a very nice rounding pattern which has formed, and now it's again going to test this particular level. So maybe in the next week this breakout will come, and if this breakout comes, then make sure to be a part of it. And if the breakout comes, then theoretically it will again go and retest this particular zone which we have over here. So maybe that's also something we have to keep a track on. But giving the market sentiment, I think breakouts like this, so it's now or never sort of a thing. I'm pretty sure that very soon, maybe in the first week, in the second week of June, that's from 7th of June till 9th of June, this breakout will come. So I will be tweeting about it in my Twitter account, so do follow it. On the top of that, you have to also make sure that this particular zone, though it looks very simple to break out, but it has been trying to do it for a lot of times, right? And so maybe it will also fail. The chances are there that it will fail, but if there is a considerable volume, and if it meets my breakout trade criteria, so maybe this is one of the trades which can be taken for immediate of 10, 15, 20% move. Let's see how it pans out. Thanks a lot for listening.